Hey guys, it's me, Iron Patriot MK11. Now, now this is the new recording for. Now this is the new recording for a video I recorded, but my microphone was off, so I had to delete it, and then now I'm recording again. Yeah, I know it's upsetting. Anyways, alright, waiting for it to load. Nope.
Does he know I'm here or not?
Okay, yeah, the video's there, so that way, my video doesn't get copyrighted for copyrighted music. Yeah, basically, guys. Oh, and if you guys might be wondering about my avatar, my avatar is a wishlist version of Iron Patriot. If you don't know who Iron Patriot is, he's basically, War Machine, except with, patriotic colors. So, yeah. So, basically my avatar is similar to of PJHL Films, except his avatar is a wishlist version of Iron Man, and my avatar is a wishlist version of Iron Patriot. And I named my channel Iron Patriot MK11 because, well, the MK stands for Mark, like, Iron Man Mark II, Iron Man Mark 1. You know what I'm saying. Well, yeah. And I originally wanted to name my channel Iron Patriot Mark 3, but then again, it doesn't have a cool ring to it, so I went with 11. I think it suits my avatar better. Also, the reason why my Roblox username is Taiti Boba, guys, it's because it's my favorite drink. I'm not actually from Thailand, so yeah, just to let you know, I'm not actually from Thailand. I'm just called Taiti Boba, guys, because my big brother named me that. Anyways, let's get back to the point on getting an aeroplane. Come on. Yes. Right. Oh, and if you might be wondering, yes, I'm subscribed to PHL Films, so PHL Films who's watching this, I'm basically your own fan. Yeah. Now, you might be wondering about the video that's covering the leaderboard. Well, that is 8-Bit Ryan. And I actually do watch his channel. My favorite videos from his channel are his Choo Choo Charles, Five Nights at Freddy's content, and yeah, and his Backrooms content. And I find his Backrooms video very hilarious. Yeah. Okay, guys. It seems like seems like this level is kinda difficult, so, this might take a few attempts. So, yeah. Oh, and I haven't set my timer. Thank guys. Alright, so to anyone who's wondering, I didn't set my timer, so if video is longer than 15 minutes, well, you'll know what's up. Anyways, let's just continue through here, and then What? Bro. Ah, dang it. Right. Now, naturally, guys, I would want to play the video, but then again, it might be him talking and not me, so, yeah. But then again, it's his channel, and I'm subscribed to him, so, yeah. Now, so anyways, back to the matter at hand, right? Up here. Okay, now spiral part of this level kinda is difficult, but it's just... Oh, dang it. No.
Oh, this is
Copyrighted music. Dang it. I realize. Alright. Up here. Dang it. Alright, now, in this game, if you're to land a perfect jump, you'll have to go at a certain speed. So, yeah. Alright. The signs may say it's steep, but in reality, if it was steep, it would have made sense. Okay, the ice part is where things can get tricky. Come on, gotta align myself with the tracks. And boom! There we have it. Right, I'm not sure if we should go fast for this one. And, oh, that was easy. Huh. Alright. Plane. Wait a minute, it says more tracks next week, going on vacation. Huh. Okay, so the developer of this games right now is on vacation, so I guess that explains why I get the plane early, but yeah. Right, I think I'm gonna stop recording here, guys, so if you wanna subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button, like and subscribe, and just like Optimus Prime would say, roll out.